𝐈WIN makes both you and your child happy for life. 𝐈WIN is to win. Give your child the 𝐈WIN advantage now.
Hello students, welcome to 𝐈WIN classes. In this class, one of the questions from capacitors we are going to discuss. The question here is this one. The question is, a 600 picofarad capacitor is charged by 200 volt supply. It is then disconnected from the supply and is connected to another uncharged 600 picofarad capacitor. Both are identical capacitors, but the first one is charged one, second one is uncharged one. These two are connected directly. The electrostatic energy lost in the process is how much amount of electrostatic energy is lost. That one we are going to calculate. This one is basically integer type question. This question appeared in 8th April 2023 JEE mains shift 2. So previously asked question. So here to solve this problem, first of all, what he is asking that we need to identify. The question here is electrical energy loss. So simply loss of energy we are going to calculate. What he did here, two capacitors are taken, both are identical in nature. First one is initially it has some voltage. That means it is charged by using a 200 volt supply. Second one is uncharged one. Uncharged one means its potential is 0. Now these two capacitors connected directly by a conducting wire like this. Then what happens here? Here capacitor means electrical energy stored inside it, right? Now while you are connecting these wires directly, that means these two capacitors directly, some amount of energy lost in the form of heat energy. Electrical energy converts into heat energy. Heat energy. That means some part of electrical energy is lost. That energy we are going to calculate. What is loss of energy? To calculate that loss of energy, here what is the formula we are going to use? This is that formula. Loss of energy when two capacitors C1, C2. Here for this problem, C1, C2 are same. 600 picofarad, 600 picofarad. With V1, V2 potential, let's say this is as V2. V1, V2 potential connected directly. Then the loss of energy delta U equal to half C1, C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. This is the formula. Now, by substituting the values of C1, C2, V1, V2. C1 is 600 picofarad. Similarly, C2 is also same. C1 equal to C2. And V1 is 200 volt. Whereas V2 is 0 volt. Pico means 1 picofarad equal to 10 power minus 12 farad. These values substitute in this equation, you will get this one. Delta U equal to half C1 600 pico means 10 power minus 12 into C2 600 into 10 power minus 12 by 2. 1 by 2 is there, that 1 by 2 is this one. 600 into 10 power minus 12 plus 600 into 10 power minus 12 into V1 200, V2 0 whole square. I'm simplifying it. Half 600 into 600 into 10 power minus 12 into 10 power minus 12, right? By this value 600 plus 600. 1200 into 10 power minus 12 into 200 minus 0 means 200. Square is there. 200 square means 4 into 10 power 4. 1 10 power minus 12 cancel. Here 2 left. Here this part, this 2, 4. Here will go cancel. So 1, 2, 2 zeros. Here 4 zeros, total 6. Here 10 power 6 cancels in 10 power minus 12. Leftover is 6 into 10 power minus 6 energy. SI unit is joule. 10 power 6 minus 6. 10 power minus 6 taken as micro. That means 6 micro joule is your answer. So here the answer is 6. This is the explanation part of this one. Once we repeat this question. So loss of energy formula is what? Half C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. All the data substituted and you are getting delta U is equal to 600 into 10 power minus 12 into 10 power 4, which is 6 into 10 power minus 6 in terms of joule, which is equal to 6 microjoule. 6 microjoule. This is the answer. That means here integer value is 6. Thank you.